Even ask him for this, but he told me to do this. I needed the roti thing, so I can't do this. It's so sorry, and give me 100 likes for my video, please, and subscribe and join the notification bell. Whatever. Just let me just continue on my continuing. There we go. Then after this, I'm going to try maple syrup. This is just this. Okay, this is happening in the. It's too early. It's early morning and my sister didn't wake up. Not even my mother or small babies to see this, and sorry I had to do this alone. Now I just need to lift this up. Now I'm using maple syrup, but I can't open it. Still I can't open it, so I'm using this a grown up to help. That's it. He takes it back. Oh my god. It's almost full, so little bit. So we're just going to put a little bit here. Yes. Anyway, I like the chocolate. There it is. And now I'm done with this. Now I'm done. Now I just need to flip it like this. Now that's it. And bye bye. It's done.